Now we've looked at graphing ellipses that are centered at the origin. Now we're going to look at, if we're given the graph of an ellipse, how to find the equation of that ellipse. So remember, our general form, or our standard form, is going to be x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. Now remember, a is the direction from the center to the points on the ellipse that are on the, in this case, if it's centered at the origin, the x-axis, and with y, we're looking at ones that are on the y-axis. So in this case, we know that because it's taller than it is wide, we know it's going to have a major axis, or that it has a major axis that is vertical. Now, because with x, we have a distance of 2 from the center, we know a equals 2, which means that a squared equals 4. Now, because we have a distance of 5 to each of the major axis vertices, we know that b equals 5, which means that b squared equals 25. So then our equation becomes x squared over a squared, which in this case a squared is 4, plus y squared over b squared, which in this case b squared is 25, equals 1. So the distance from our center to the vertices on the x-axis, that's a. We square it to get a squared for the denominator under x in our equation. And then similarly with y, we find the distance from the center to the vertices that are on the major axis. That gives us b. We square that to find b squared for our equation, which lets us know that the ellipse that we were given in a graph is represented by the equation x squared over 4 plus y squared over 25 equals 1.